All right. And look what we have from our friends at Autoline. Nicely rebuilt in beautiful shape. Beautiful, beautiful. Everything's fresh. The harnesses, everything's nice. The module's in. We did the module and such ourselves, but it's all here. It's complete. So our Pierre Cardin will actually run, hopefully, correctly now. When we go to put this in, probably put it in next week. We got to do the intake manifold as well. Lots of fun to do, lots of stuff going on. But I'm gonna get this set aside. We did get the nice cap and rotor. There's a rotor with the brass, not the tin, but the brass. Let me get the nice cap here. Look at that. Beautiful. All right, so I'm gonna get the coil in this, get all this assembled, have it all ready to go, and then we shall be ready to partay next week, hopefully. All right, so I'm assembling the coil and the cap and rotor. Got a nice blue streak, and I noticed something. I'm like, this sort of looks wrong. So I'm looking. Come on. All right. And that wire, I kid you not, is broken right out of the box. That's not any good. Way to go, Rock. All right, so that's going back. It sucks because it's a blue streak. That's nice stuff. But I have HEI coils here. I actually have a really nice MSD one that we could use. So we'll pop that baby in there. That'll be a little upgrade, a little free upgrade. All right, so I swapped in one of my MSD ones. No big deal, I got a shelf full of them. Upgrade. So that's ready to go. It's in our cap. We're gonna put that on. Then we gotta put the little cap for here on, which we'll do once we're in the car, because this is gonna have to come off again when we stab it. But I'm just gonna put this on the distributor for safekeeping, and then that's ready to go in the car. All right.
Oh yeah.
Hi, Bernsey.
Morning.
Is it morning?
Well.
What day is this?
Tuesday,
Who am I?
Thursday?
I don't know.
No, it's Sunday.
It's definitely not Sunday.
It could be.
On what planet? Anyway.
Pluto.
Pluto's not a planet anymore. Anyway. Got the coil cap off of your OE distributor. Now this baby's done and ready. So by next week, or at the latest a little bit on the week after, we will assemble this to your intake manifold, because that gasket set's here. Your valve cover gaskets are here. We're gonna have a grand old time.